The system that we have created, no, from the lowest club, no, the toy club, many people say, para saan yung toys? Parang, actually, many members nga, meron na silang Jordan, meron na silang Louis Vuitton, may Rolex na, ayaw nilang pasukin yung toy club. Matanda na daw sila, para saan daw ang toys? Pero the moment, they buy the first toy, whether it's a Funko Pop, no, whether it's a Bear Brick, no, whether it's a toy, no, from their childhood at Toy Kingdom, the moment they get that toy, then maintindihan nila bakit. Kasi pagkabili nila ng laruan, pagkahawak nila, pagka-unbox nila sa bahay, biglang bumata sila ulit, no? The happiness, no? The joy of a child na wala ka pang problema. Ang goal mo lang magkaroon ng laruan. So once they understand that, once they feel that, now they understand why we have this club. Kasi kailangan masaya ka sa ginagawa mo. We want you to be happy with what you're doing.